Yeah, then mate, how you doing? Welcome to this JV invite to our next product launch, which is called Shortify. This is going to be with my partners, Frankie Pellegrino and Pixabuild. And Shortify is all about video shorts, which is YouTube's answer to TikTok. They're fighting for supremacy for the sub 60-second video market. As you can see here on the screen, they're sending tons of traffic to these shorts. You can have a look when you do hashtag shorts on the YouTube search, you'll see them. There's loads of them and they're getting massive traffic. So Shortify is basically two parts. The first one is software that creates these video shorts, and the second one is training to show the customers how to drive traffic to these videos, how to create them in the first place, how to find the best niches, and so on. So that's what Shortify is. It's original, it's fresh, and it should be selling like crazy. Now, in terms of everything else that's to do with the launch, we have a deep funnel, and we've hired a top-notch copywriter. We've got Pixabuild on the design and the via sales, so we know it's going to look good, it's going to convert well. It's a deep funnel, it's all congruent stuff, so it should be high EPCs. In terms of reciprocation, there's 3 of us. We're hitting leaderboards at the moment, so we are going to be on your next one when you hit ours. That's all, I think, unless I've forgotten something important. Hopefully not. We're really looking forward to seeing you on the inside Shortify. Take care now. All the best. Bye-bye.